we completed this assignment in class. So if you weren't there, here's a video to help you figure out what to do. The title of this assignment is called Finding the Percent. So that means that the information that's given to us, the two numbers, are the part and the whole. So we have to figure out which one is which, and it's not always that the whole is the bigger one. We've had posters in our classroom for a really long time about the word whole, and oftentimes we see the word of. So if I can find the word of, the number after it is the whole. So there's 80. So that means that 20 is the part. All right, so the 20 goes on top. Now I'm going to put that into my calculator by doing 20 divided by, change the color again, 80, the top divided the bottom. Put that in my calculator, 20 divided by 80, and I get that decimal 0 and 25 hundredths. Then I take that decimal and I put it in front because this is the decimal form of the percent. So to be able to make it be a percent, I still need to times by 100. And then I get the number 27. Oh, I multiplied by the wrong number. Did you see that? That's at 110. Let's try again. 0 and 25 hundredths times 100. Still not right. I'm going to need to zoom in a little bit here. 0, 0. There we go, 100. Oh my goodness. All right. It's really hard on this really small 0 and 25 hundredths times 1, 0, 0. That look right? Yeah, that looks right now. 25. Now I can write a 25 and the percent sign. That is my answer. And I should be able to find it down here on the bottom. There it is. Highlight it. That is the correct answer, right? So then I'm going to go to the next one. 9 is what percent of 12? Again, I see the word of, and after the of comes 12. So I'll put a 12 down here, right? And because I'm solving for the percent, I can see that it says what percent. I don't know. Right? So my answer is going to be the percent. That means the 9 is the part. So the 9 goes on top. Then I'm going to put it in my calculator. 9 divided by 1, 2, 12 equals. And I'm going to write down that step. So again, 9 divided by 12. Right. Zoom in, equals, that decimal is 0 and 75 hundredths. Then I'm going to take that decimal and rewrite it down here, 0 and 75 hundredths. And now I need to times that by 100 times 1, 0, 0. There we go, 75. And when I get that answer, I can put a percent sign behind. 0.75 is equivalent to 75%. 0 and 75 hundredths without a percent sign. See how this one up here does not have a percent sign, doesn't have anything behind it. That is equivalent to writing 75 with a percent sign. And that's down here. All right, we do one more, and I want to do this one. What percent is 6 out of 7? All right, so I see the word of 7. So this time I have to write the fraction, and 7 goes on the bottom, right? And then I see is 6, so 6 goes on the top. And then I'm going to write equals 6 divided by 7, top divided by bottom, 6 divided by 7, yikes. That looks really icky. I'm going to write down 0.857 142, because after that on my calculator I see that it says the same thing, 85714. All right, so it's repeating in my calculator. So I can stop here, but I am going to write this line on top. It means all those digits repeat in that order. 857142, 85714. And if the calculator had more room, it would say 2, and then it would keep going. So now I'm going to take that decimal, rewrite it here, 0.85714 with a line and times 100. and I'm not going to clear my calculator, times, hopefully I can do this right the first time, 100 equals. Now the whole number in front is 85. So I'm going to write 85 decimal. All right, then I see 71428 and the next digit is 7. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to write this. All right, and then I need to move it over just a little bit because at the very end I need a percent sign. So notice that that line goes above all those digits because after the decimal point, it starts with 7. 714285. 714, and then it says a 3. That 3 is really this 2 right here a second time. It's really this 2 right here a second time because the digit after it is 8. So the calculator is rounding, right? It's really a kind of a tricky thing to learn, but it's an important thing to learn. All right, so let's take a look down on the bottom. There it is. All right, to get credit for this assignment, you need to finish it and turn it in. Kids in class finished it and turned it in last Friday. Nope, a week ago Friday.